Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm so happy to meet with you girls. Today I have a bag reveal. I have a Kurt Geiger bag reveal. So if you like videos like these, stick with me, hit like down below, hit subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll know anytime whenever I upload. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. So I have a little crop jacket on today, so that's why that looks like that. But yeah, you girls, today I wanted to talk about a Kurt Geiger bag. Before we get into that, I wanted to say thank you everybody for watching my videos and my content and subscribing. To my old subscribers, thank you so much. I love you so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. Let's go ahead, let's get started talking about these bags. So I have the new bag right here that I'm gonna be doing the bag reveal with. I got it, I purchased it from Nordstrom Rack, and I've been doing tons of hauls on handbags, and I picked up a few items from Coach, from Tory Burch, from Nordstrom Rack, just all over Michael Kors. And over the next couple of weeks, we'll be doing unboxings, reveals, comparisons on all the new handbags, you girls. And sometimes, you know, I do take a break from shopping, but right now ain't no time for breaks. Right now we're shopping, we're enjoying, and I love sharing everything here on my channel with you guys and when we can interact. I would love for you to put any new bags that you recently picked up in the comments down below and tell me all about your story, how you chased the bag down, how you located the bag when you found it, all different types of things like that. Put it in the comments down below so we can discuss some more about these lovely handbags. Now, before I show you what I picked up, I did want to say that I've been a tweed lover for a long time on my channel. I love tweed handbags. This is one, believe it or not, this is a Karl Lagerfeld bag. So this is the Karl Lagerfeld Lafayette, and I love it. The Lafayette bags by Karl Lagerfeld are so nice. In my opinion, they're right up there in comparison with Chanel, with a Chanel bag, a Chanel flap. So what kind of inspired the Kurt Geiger bag that I picked up was my love for tweed, and this is one of my Karl Lagerfeld bags that is in tweed. I enjoy wearing this flat bag all the time. Another thing I'm a sucker for is for the handbags that have the leather, you know, with the intertwined, the chain, the hardware gold hardware chain with the intertwined, interwoven leather. So because of that, I absolutely love this handbag. So let's go ahead and get into what bag I picked up from Kurt Geiger. Okay, so here she is, you guys, my newest acquisition, and I have my scissors right here ready to unbox her. Let's go ahead and do the reveal. I'm so excited. Here she is. I don't know if you're gonna, she's wrapped up pretty good, but I'll be able to get her out. Let's see what I went ahead and picked up from Kurt Geiger. She's so pretty. When I tell you guys she's so pretty, I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing so that I could start wearing her, you guys. And here she is. You might be able to see what she is. She's so pretty. So basically it's a Kurt Geiger bag. I think this is the Kensington. I'll have the official name for her. I'll have the official name for her down below. But she is so beautiful. She's so pretty in this tweed. I just couldn't resist this, you guys. I thought it was so pretty. And this bag was offered at Von Maur. It's been offered at Nordstrom Rack. It's been offered on the Kurt Geiger website. So pretty. What I also love about her is the size. She's very comparable. This is like, when it comes to a shoulder bag, this is like the size that I really like. If I'm not going to do a small shoulder bag or a mini, this size right here, you see how both of these bags are kind of comparable in size? Because when I start getting into, when you start getting into like really larger sizes, like my Kurt Geiger Coup, my Kurt Geiger extra large XXL is up here, and I love that bag, but that bag is super huge. It's really like a travel bag. This is more like a, I could wear this for every day. It's not too, it's large, but it's not too large, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love it. And if you notice, she has a little sparkle sequin in there, along with the, I love the gold, like in tweed bags, I love the lame. Just like with the Karl Lagerfeld bag, you can see there's some gold lame in there as well. Well, the Kurt Geiger bag has the lame, then it has sequin. What else does she have in there? She got a mixture of everything in there, you guys. But she's just so pretty. Oh my God, this bag is so pretty. Look at the back. That's the back. Then here's the bottom and the eagle head. That shiny eagle head with the rhinestones just does it for me. It does it for me so much, in fact, that I went ahead and picked up the matching ring for these bags. I had to go ahead and get my Kurt Geiger. I don't have my nails done right now, just natural look. But the Kurt Geiger ring, I had to go ahead and pick that up. I was loving the Kurt Geiger brand so much. So let me go ahead and undo her strap so we could take a better look at her. I'm so glad I brought my scissors in here today so we could go ahead and finish unwrapping her. Okay, you girls, so I'm back and I have her mostly finished unwrapped right now. I was jamming out. I was jiving out to my music, you guys, while I was doing the unwrapping. I love that new artist. His name is Friday, and he's a Haitian artist, and his voice is beautiful. He grew up in the church, and he went to church with his mom and dad and his parents when he was younger and learned how to play, you know, musical instruments like the organ and the piano, and I just love his music. Check him out. His name is Friday. So, but yeah, you guys, this bag is grown woman sexy. When I tell you it's grown woman, old money, just so sexy, this Kurt Geiger bag. I absolutely love it. And so what I like about it is also that, you know, Kurt Geiger bags are leather too. So it has leather under the straps for comfort right here. Under the strap is leather, but then the top of the strap has the pattern. That's kind of different because most of the time they just do all leather on this part of the shoulder strap, the comfort strap. Most of the time that little pad comfort strap that goes on your shoulder is all leather, but on this one they did the leather on the bottom underside, and then the top, on top of it has the pattern, the tweed, which normally it's just all leather. You don't usually get the tweed up there as well. And Kurt Geiger chains, the hardware is just so durable, much like Tory Burch and much like Rebecca Minkoff. The hardware on a Kurt Geiger bag is just so durable. So this is my new baby right here. Here's the lovely interior, and the outer edge of the flap has the like shag. Is so cute. It has that tweed. It's just fringed. I've been loving fringe lately too, as well as denim, you guys. So, but yeah, it has everything. It has everything that I absolutely like in a bag. So of course she came with her lovely Kurt Geiger dust bag. And you know, Kurt Geiger redid his dust bags. Oh, this is an older one. That's interesting. I was gonna say they redid their dust bags. Their dust bags look different now. And this is a new bag at the store, but the dust bag is the older one. I actually like this one better. The new one has a saying on it that's very positive, but I like the simple, classic Kurt Geiger dust bag like this one right here. I'm just a simple girl. I like the simple things. Okay, so next, here is the interior, and it has both sides. You know how most of these type of bags has that interior piece, you know, that divides and separates the two sides of the bag. And let me see, does that one go all the way through to the bottom? Yeah, ooh, that's good. That one goes all the way through to the bottom of the bag. Sometimes they just go to the bottom and then there's an opening at the bottom of the bag where your items can shift from side to side. But this one has the material all the way at the bottom, so your items won't shift from side to side inside the bag. So yeah, today I just wanted to share this lovely beauty with you guys. much, girls, for joining me for this handbag reveal, the unboxing reveal or unbagging reveal of my lovely new Kurt Geiger bag. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Remember to put down in the comments below which bags you recently acquired so we could talk about them. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.